Hey there, wine enthusiasts. Today we're going on a delightful journey to explore the three best wines in the world and what makes each of them so special. Whether you're a seasoned connoisseur or just getting started, you're in for a treat. First up, let's talk about the elegant Bordeaux from France. Bordeaux is famed for its balanced blend of Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot. Picture this. Rich, dark fruit flavors with a hint of earthiness and a touch of oak. It's the perfect wine for a fancy dinner or to impress your friends. Next, we're heading to sunny Italy for the Chianti Classico. This Tuscan gem is made primarily from Sangiovese grapes. Chianti Classico is known for its bright cherry flavors, refreshing acidity and a slight spiciness. It's versatile and pairs wonderfully with pasta, pizza, or even a simple cheese platter. Last but not least, let's sip on the luscious Napa Valley Cabernet Sauvignon from California. Napa Cabs are bold and full-bodied with flavors of ripe blackberries, plums, and a hint of vanilla from oak aging. They're perfect for those cozy nights in or for celebrating special occasions. So there you have it. Bordeaux, Chianti Classico, and Napa Valley Cabernet Sauvignon. Each one brings something unique to the table, making them stand out as the best wines in the world. Cheers to exploring new flavors and enjoying every sip. If you enjoyed this little wine tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delightful discoveries. See you next time.